In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in SurveyMonkey from scratch. We'll walk through opening SurveyMonkey, starting a brand new survey, and understanding the editor so you can begin building your questions with confidence. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey's website. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in or create an account. Any modern browser will work, but keeping your browser updated helps the site load smoothly. Once you land on your dashboard or homepage, you're ready to start. Look to the top right corner and click Create Survey. This opens a panel with several ways to begin. You'll see choices like Start from Scratch, Build with AI, Pick a Template, Paste Questions, Build Target Audience, or use Proven Research Method. For this walkthrough, choose Start from Scratch. Give the page a moment to load the editor. You're now in the Survey Builder, which is where the real work happens. Begin by adding a clear, descriptive survey title so respondents immediately know what it's about. You can also add an introduction to explain the purpose of your survey and how long it should take. In the question area, choose the type that best fits your needs, such as multiple choice, rating scales, open-ended text, or drop-downs. Keep each question focused on a single idea and keep answer options concise. If a question is essential, toggle it to required to ensure you get the data you need. Use page breaks to group related questions and make longer surveys easier to navigate. If you want to tailor the experience, you can set up simple logic to skip or show questions based on previous answers. As you build, the editor typically saves automatically, but it's good practice to check the save indicator before closing your tab. Click Preview to see what respondents will experience and adjust wording or layout for clarity. You can customize the look and feel with a theme so it matches your brand or project style. A clean, high-contrast theme improves readability on both desktop and mobile. When your first draft is ready, take a quick pass to remove redundant questions and confirm the order flows logically from general to specific. And that's it. You've gone to SurveyMonkey, clicked Create Survey, selected Start from Scratch, and now you're ready to create and edit your survey content. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.